The Eiffel Tower, world-famous cuisine, and charming villages. In France, having internet access as soon as you arrive can make your stay much easier. So here's how to stay connected instantly with a Saily eSIM. To get started, simply open the Saily website or the Saily app. If you want to benefit from the 10% discount, make sure to use the link in the description, the pinned comment, or the QR code displayed on screen. These are the only ways to activate the promo code. Then create your account or log in. It only takes a few moments. Once you're in the app, browse the list of destinations and search directly for France. You'll see several eSIM plans available for use in France, with different data options depending on the length of your trip. When choosing your plan, it all depends on your usage. If you just need internet to check directions, book transport, or send a few messages, a smaller plan can be enough. However, if you frequently use maps, social media, translation tools, or share photos, it may be more comfortable to go with a larger data plan. After selecting your plan, simply proceed to checkout. Before confirming your purchase, remember to enter the promo code mentioned in the description in the dedicated field, so the 10% discount is applied automatically. Once the payment is complete, the app will guide you step by step to install your France eSIM. Just follow the on-screen instructions, then activate your line once you arrive in France to get instant internet access. No physical SIM card needed. The link to access Saily and get the discount is available in the description, the pinned comment, or via the QR code shown on screen. The promo code only works when accessed through these options, and if you'd like to understand how an eSIM works, the video currently appearing on your screen might also be helpful.